Step 1 is to open up a new tab and type in this on the screen, aejuice.com, and your search engine or search browser. And once this has loaded, basically what you're going to do is go to here, or it says on the top screen, free plugins. And basically, now you're in the free plugins page. Now, if you have Windows, click download for Windows or for Mac. In this case, I have Windows, so we'll click download. Now, you have to put your email in order to download this. And then click you agree with their terms and policies. And then click download. And now you should be onto this screen. And as you can see, if you have already downloaded it, you can always click download installer again. These are the supported softwares. So click download again for Windows, and then it will download. And now basically once it has been downloaded, as you can see, you can double tap or click, and then you have an application and you want to double tap on that. If you have WinRAR, what you could do is go to your downloads, right click and click extract here. And now we have a screen if you'd like to accept and install. And wait for aejuice Pack Manager free plugin to install. And once it's complete, click finish. You can close it on the website if you would like. And now if you go under your search bar, aejuice, and as you can see now we have aejuice Pack Manager standalone. So click this or run as the administrator. Click yes. And now you can even open up Adobe Premiere Pro. Now you're going to be getting this screen. Choose which software do you like to use. In this case, we're going to click Premiere Pro and click continue. And as we can see, we have the starter pack. So we'll click this to download. And we have so many other packs as we can see. So click download. You can click download, whichever one. They're all free. Now the double tap to import our first element. As you can see, it's going to check for updates, but it's also going to download. Okay, it has been downloaded. There it is. And as you can see, we can basically drag this onto our project. It is a glitch effect.